The Delhi High Court on Friday ruled against an energy giant Reliance Industries Limited and its foreign partners in a dispute over the government's $1.7 billion claim for making unjust enrichment by extracting gas that migrated from state run ONGC's blocks near their KGD6 field off the Andhra coast. The bench of Justice Rekha Palli and Saurabh Banerjee quashed an international arbitration tribunal's ruling rejecting the government's claim and overturned Justice Anup Jairam Bhambani's verdict upholding arbitral award in favor of the energy giant led consortium. We are setting aside the impugned order dated 9th May 2023 passed by a single judge and the arbitral award passed by the arbitral tribunal in 2018 being contrary to the settled position of law along with the pending applications, if any, leaving the parties to bear their own costs, the bench said. Justice Bambani had held, this court is not persuaded to hold that the conclusion drawn by the arbitral tribunal are such that no reasonable person would reach. Suffice it to say that the view taken by the arbitral tribunal is most certainly a possible view which calls for no interference. This court finds no ground to interfere with the majority arbitral award, which is accordingly upheld. The case dates back to 2013 when ONGC claimed its IG and KGDWN 98-2 blocks adjacent to RIL's KG-D6 field shared a common gas pool. It moved court saying RIL, which had already put KG-D6 into operation, was extracting gas that migrated from its blocks that were still under development. Oil Ministry approached Delhi High Court after the arbitration panel led by Singapore-based Lawrence Wu struck down its demand for nearly $1.6 billion in cost and $175 million as additional cumulative profit petroleum payable till March 31, 2016 towards disgorgement of unjust enrichment made by RIL. Once US consultant D. Gollier and McNaughton, appointed under court order, affirmed the continuity of the gas pool, the ministry appointed a one-man committee which said RIL had made unfair enrichment. The ministry then slapped costs on Energy Giant, which challenged it through international arbitration. The arbitration panel rejected government's changes. Government challenged this in High Court, which upheld the arbitration tribunal's rejection of the government allegation. The tribunal had said Energy Giant extracted whatever gas became available in the course of operations within their contract area. It deducted the cost petroleum, calculated the profit petroleum, and shared the requisite portion of profit petroleum with the ministry. The ministry has not claimed Reliance did not pay its government's share of profit petroleum for quantity of gas extracted. On the allegation of fraud by suppressing knowledge about the continuity of the gas pool, the tribunal had said non-disclosure of one solitary D&M report 2003 through a technical breach of terms of the PSC was not a material breach of contract.